If you have followed any of my previous video guides or written articles, then you're going to know that I'm not a big fan of these software navigation buttons. Now, this navigation bar used to be very easy to disable with a simple build.prop edit file, but in recent versions of Android, this feature has been removed. I had to figure out a different way to do it for the OnePlus 5T. And there's also a unique way that we're going to have to do this on the Pixel 2 and the Pixel 2 XL. I'm currently doing this on the Pixel 2 XL, which will have the download link for this file included in the full tutorial. That will be linked below this video. So once you have that file downloaded and on your Pixel 2 or Pixel 2 XL, we're going to need to boot up into TWRP. Now, whether or not you have that permanently installed or you are just temporarily booting into it like I will be doing right here, it does not matter. The result is the same. We just need to get our device into TWRP. Now, what I'm noticing for this modification that it requires your phone to be on an exact version of Android. So since I am running Android version 8.1, I had to download the zip file for the 8.1 mod. There's also one for 8.0, multiple 8.0s. So just be aware of that whenever you go through the download link in the full tutorial. And once we are in TWRP, we're just going to tap on the install button. We're going to browse to wherever we moved that zip file for the mod, which for me is in the download folder. We're going to tap that, and then we're just going to swipe to the white arrows to the right to begin the installation. You can see right here that it is creating a zip, a restore zip that is going to be located in sdcard.ozop. And just so that you know where that is, we see that restore zip right there. So if you ever want to add the navigation bar back into Android, you just need to flash that zip file. And that really is all there is to it. We're just simply installing a zip file and has modified a file that Android uses to display that navigation bar. And that is why that you have to make sure you're installing the correct zip file for your version of Android that you're running. I definitely recommend that you go through and flash that restore file before you do any type of over-the-air update. And as you can see, now we no longer have a navigation bar here. And this is where you would go and install and set up a alternative navigation application. I have been a fan of swipe navigation as of lately. Before, I used to use Pi controls a lot, and there are dozens of other ones available in the Play Store, and I'll go over a couple of those in a future video and in a future article. But today I just wanted to show you how to disable the navigation bar on the Pixel 2 and the Pixel 2 XL.